Hi, hey, it's Kevin from the Love Zone. Today I want to show you this great clitoral vibrator, a really fun foreplay sex toy, or just one you can use on your own. This is Antony. It's a slim, easy to hold, large head clitoral stimulator, little vibrating massager. It's great because this large head provides direct stimulation for clitoral vibration. There's 10 speeds, so you're going to find one that you really like, one that's going to satisfy you. It's super quiet, lots of power. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It takes a single AAA battery. Right now it's going, so you can see that it's super quiet, right? So here we are. You hear that going. There's a little bit higher speed. There you've got some good vibration going. And still it's quiet. So if you've got roommates, not going to wake anybody up, right? Then we start getting into patterns. So there's 7 different patterns. Again, it's silicone. It's soft, it's nice. Go ahead and grab one today. And that's Antony. You can find it at thelovezone.com.